Hey everybody, it's Neil, and one thing I've always wanted for my desk is a clipboard that stands up on its own, and this is what I got. So this one here is walnut kind of wood. So let's check this out here. Let me open it up. Okay, hopefully I cut through it. Yes. I am working with the dullest knife in the world, but it did work. Okay, so this is the clipboard here. It's got some good heft to it. Nice and sturdy. You can see it's got some thickness to it, but it's not super heavy or anything. I don't know, it might be hollow inside, but it's like a wood walnut there. It can pick up here, so that's got a nice good clip to it. So as I'm clipping things onto it, it will stay. And then this here is what I'm most excited about for me, is a stand for it. So let's see how that is. So I can put this next to my computer, and it looks like it's got two different angles that you can get on it. So if it's this way here, it'll go on like that and be at that angle. And then the other way, it'll be, looks like slightly less angled on that one there. So you've got those two different profiles there. And see, that's what's cool. It's gonna be able to stay up on its own, so I can have my papers on there that I'm working with right next to the computer. So this is totally handy. Really nice sturdy base and a sturdy clipboard as well. So this is gonna come in handy if you do need a clipboard. I'm gonna say this one here is gonna be a winner for sure. It's not gonna flex, it's gonna be great. Totally awesome. Thumbs up.